Struggling to see results even though you work out every day? What if just 10 minutes of one simple move could change everything? Meet the Dumbbell Bent Over Row, your new secret weapon for a stronger back and a leaner you. Imagine working out at home with just a pair of dumbbells. This move is fast, effective, and doesn't take up much space. You bend forward, keeping your back straight, and pull the weights up, like you're rowing a boat through the air. It builds strong muscles that help you lift, carry, and move easier in everyday life. And then, here's the cool part. It boosts your metabolism, helping burn fat even after your workout is done. You'll feel stronger, look fitter, and have more energy without spending hours exercising. I know it's tough to stay motivated when results seem slow, but with the bent over row, every pull counts. Feel your muscles wake up as your arms and back work together like a team. I can't believe how quickly I felt stronger, says one beginner. Plus, it's perfect for busy days. No gym needed. Just you, your dumbbells, and this simple move. So, want to unlock a workout that fits your life and pushes your fitness forward? Hit subscribe and dive into the full playlist. Your stronger, fitter self is just one row away. What's waiting? On the other side might surprise you.